welcome to my box. Hello, welcome to my unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing a few of the items that we have purchased over the last week to go into the FG build. None of these items are sponsored, but you know, hit my line if you want to sponsor me. None of these items are sponsored, but you know, chuck my deets below. Number one, Raceworks. We have the FG fuel rail from Raceworks. Billet. No free stickers, unfortunately. It does come with AN line fittings for -6 or -8 lines. It comes with block offs and other cool things that I'm not going to tell you about because I don't feel like it. It's a secret. Alright, number two, mystery box. Big brown box. Big brown heavy box. Put what you think is in my big brown box below. And if you get it right, I'm not going to give you anything. Today I'm cutting with my surgical scalpel. Very cool. My god, it's bubble wrap. I forgot I ordered this. This is the turbo manifold. Very heavy. I might be able to show it off in the box. And who makes this? This is a factory forward remanufactured item from China. Save money. They've been proven to work, and with the T4 flange and the turbo that I plan to run, this should help me make 1,000 horsepower. Good thing about these is that they will mount low, so have fun seeing the turbo. So originally this comes with a T3 flange, but the 3D printing fairies have come and converted the T3 to a T4 flange, because bigger is better. And it stinks. It stinks like that transport oil stuff. Next box is another big brown box with any information on the front. No. Today we're opening this with Trojan Saw. Not sponsored, but if you want to sponsor me, I have a lot of Remember, always cut towards yourself. Okay, it's not very efficient. Wow! We have an FG intake manifold and 1000cc sonic injectors. Okay, this one's heavy as well. This is manufactured from the same warehouse as the exhaust manifold. Bubble body will be coming off the Supra, because that has a barrel throttle body on it. So that'll be the intake side done. Today we're opening this mysterious box with just something small. You guys will not be able to guess what this is. I bet you $1,000. What's inside of this? It's $1 million. You guys just lost out on 1,000. Oh my god. How'd they do that? Thanks, Heltec. We have this very small GDX 4202. And this is going to be the bad boy that the Ute will be running. This one has a twin scroll T4 rehousing, and the front housing has been converted to a vibrant something quick release clamp that I can't remember the whole name of. And the front has been modified to fit a vibrant 3-inch quick release intercooler clamp. Say that 10 times fast. Vibrant, if you're here. Hit me up! So this is the haul for today. We got the turbo intake manifold. I've got the throttle body already at home. We have the exhaust manifold and the injector rail. And all we'll need to get next will be the intercooler and the piping, and then I don't know, should be able to turn on and make cool noises. Oh yeah, and then the ECU and tune the ECU and, you know, the things that actually make it go run and drive. But, you know, if you got an ECU out there, that would go in an FG. Hello, if you're from HP Tuners, please contact me below directly. And that's it. Peace. Wow, this looks very cool. I would show you, but you'll have to pay for that. Yep, this is this. Trojan condoms. This is, oh, so heavy. Wow. Wow. Jokes, it's massive. I'm in a completely 100% real Recaro. It's a bride. So starting off, we have the Raceworks FG fuel rail. I just spoiled it before I unboxed it.